I'm sleepy though. I ain't even gonna lie, but should I do one last?
Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video.
Bro, now if she's the host, I'm not watching, bro. She a ghost for some reason. I don't feel good watching her.
खेलने वाले हैं Guess the Fake Challenge.
Bro, what you mean guess the fake, bro? Her reaction, what's that thing called on your faces, bro? Not reaction, your freaking expressions feel
इसमें मैं
crazy.
बताऊंगी 3 न्यूज हेडलाइंस एंड इनको अपने टीम से डिस्कस करके बताना है कि उनमें से एक फेक हेडलाइन कौन सी है. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. बॉक्सर जर्वोंटा
Oh, Davis, damn. I mean, blames hair product. I don't think so, man. From where you got this, bro? And why she got? It's crazy though, man. But I'ma just watch her last video
blames
for
hair
some reason.
product after controversy.
Cause Tank is in this video. You feel me? Tank is this boxer's stage name.
Controversial title draw.
Bro, what phone is that, bro? I never, bro. Bro, it's something about her, gang. What phone is this? And why is you like that?
भाई ये तो हमें दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा. क्या उसका मैच ड्रॉ
हाँ.
उसके लिए.
Yes.
Bro, these guys don't know how them boxers are. Bro, wait, should I move my face cam? Hold on, let me see.
A Cheeto
Shape. Nah, this is real, I'm gonna be honest. This feels like this real. Yeah, this height, I guess. This face
Cheeto.
cam height.
shaped like Pokemon Charizard is auctioned
Pokemon
for
Charizard.
$87,840.
Yeah, this seems like true.
फेक वाला बताना है. फेक वाला बताना है. Local bakery accidentally sends 10,000 loaves of bread to wrong address. Creates citywide bread festival. इन्होंने पहले हाथ उठाया. Discuss.
मेरे टीम में बोल रहा है. अरे तुम उनके साथ हो. अरे नहीं भाई. क्या वन टीम है. अच्छा ये हो गया क्या? सॉरी.
Huh?
तो गाइस
Bro, what? Bro, is this guy for you?
भाई आओ आओ आओ. अलग अलग क्यों रखता?
जो भी रेडी है हाथ उठा लेना. जो रेडी है हाथ उठा लेना टीम. रेडी? हाँ जी बताए.
We think third वाला is fake.
Which one? The
The bread
bread one? That is correct. That is fake.
Oh, what?
एक point इनको.
Oh, no, fake, right?
चीटर है. तुम लोग मस्टरा कर रहे थे ना?
Bro,
Okay,
can I
round-
crop my face cam or should I not? Never mind, bro. I don't care no more.
2. Prosecutor says golden toilet was stolen from English palace in audacious raid.
audacious raid.
Raid.
हाँ, काट लो,
मार
काट
के
लो।
टॉयलेट लेके गए. Scientists successfully grow human organs in lab, paving the way for transplants.
This
Third.
is true.
Puppy Mountain photo draws onlookers to a Chinese riverside. Puppy Mountain photo draws onlookers, मतलब अपन सब जो देख रहे हैं, to a Chinese riverside.
हाथ उठा दिया मैंने. मैंने उठा दिया.
First
हाँ
one.
जी.
I don't know.
नीलू का बोल है. अरे फिर अब क्यों हाथ करने का डिस्कशन क्यों?
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
पहला वाला कौन सा था? एक बार बता.
I'm sleepy as fuck.
It was stolen.
कैसा ये केस कैसा जा सकता है कोर्ट में गोल्डन टॉयलेट वाला?
ये आपका आंसर है फेक न्यूज के लिए.
प्रोसिक्यूटर में क्या बोलो? गलत
Bro,
है,
is that a flip phone?
Possible ही नहीं है ये ऐसा. प्रोसिक्यूटर में क्या बोलो?
Bro,
गलत है.
flip phone is 2025 is crazy.
ये हो ही नहीं सकता. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ये ऐसा केस जाता ही नहीं है कोर्ट में.
तो आप हाथ उठा रहे हो कि नहीं उठा रहे
उठाया
हो?
ना.
ठीक है तो आप बोल रहे हो कि ये फेक है.
Bro, why is
आप गलत हो.
she like that, gang? It's like I feel so weird and uncomfortable watching her, and just her voice even. I don't know. She got like multiple personalities, gang. You cannot trust her for some reason. I don't want you near me. I can't trust you, gang.
आप गलत हो. यस आपका
Third वाला
चॉइस.
is fake.
पपी माउंटेन. आप भी गलत हो. दोनों को कोई पॉइंट नहीं मिलता है.
Oh, she.
साइंटिस्ट ग्रो ह्यूमन ऑर्गन्स इन लैब.
कैसे हो सकते हैं यार बताओ यार. क्या नहीं हो भी सकता है भाई.
नहीं हुआ
हो
है.
सकता है.
अब तक तो नहीं हुआ है. ये वाला
Bro, even if that's happened, you know damn well she don't know if that's true or not, gang. You know damn well that ain't true.
Woman sues airline and passenger over viral window seat dispute with crying child. Second वाला, thieves used a stolen card to buy $523,000 lottery ticket Victim wants to share winnings. ठीक है. तीसरा, world's first human-powered airplane successfully flies for 15 seconds, declares itself the future of travel.
अरे ह्यूमन मैं उठा रहा हूँ. मैंने उठा दिया. तीसरा. मैंने बोला था यार. मैंने बोला था. ए तुम पे कोई इंडियन न्यूज नहीं है कि सुबह सुबह उठा 4 भैंसें चोरी हो गई किसी के घर से. 4 भैंसें लगी भैंसिया ने भैंसे को.
Just because you said that. Next news.
Bro, what?
India's cricket team sets bizarre 16,384 for one world record.
Huh?
बाजार नहीं है.
First brown bear to undergo brain surgery wakes from hibernation. वो hibernation से उठ गया है.
ऐसे बताओ आप.
ठीक है.
हमको ये सब इतनी कैलकुलेटेड.
तीसरा, world's largest cookie bakes itself after reaching 500 tons.
Huh?
After reaching 500 times.
Bro, I can't understand none of these.
हाँ वो भालू.
Fake है? You are wrong.
Hi.
Yeah.
Third one.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay. Bro, why this graphic designer? She shocked after he said the right answer, guy. Like she expected him to go wrong for some reason.
Yeah, you are right.
Bro, what? I mean, that's crazy.
Cookie bakes itself after reaching 500 tons. That's fake.
खाते ही नहीं है तो बोल रही है कुकी कैसे बोल रही है.
वेस्ट वर्जीनिया फुटबॉल कोच. वेस्ट वर्जीनिया टीम है. वेस्ट वर्जीनिया टीम है.
ये अच्छा हुआ.
फुटबॉल कोच रिच रॉड्रिगेज कोच का नाम है. बैन्स प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम टिकटॉक डांसिंग. बैन्स.
Nah, them Virginia niggas do be like that. I ain't gonna lie. West Virginia. Could be, I don't know.
बैन कर दिया उसने अपने प्लेयर्स को. Experts warn smartphones are now capable of detecting your thoughts.
Nah, smartphones, I don't think so yet. When you say thoughts, my nigga, that's when you don't even speak that shit out loud. You feel me? And not even search nowhere. I don't think smartphones, but I feel that Neuralink type shit. I mean, hey, that shit is made for that. But I don't know.
Doctors note increase in cases of glue mistaken for eye drops. डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं कि
वाह.
लोग अपने आंखों में आई ड्रॉप के जगह ग्लू का बॉटल लगा रहे. सेम दिख रहे बॉटल.
Bro, that's crazy if that's real.
कौन सा है?
Please be
डॉक्टर
fake.
वाला?
Please
You
be
are
fake.
Yes, second one.
Nah. Who putting glue in their eyes, guy?
wrong. Smartphone वाला.
Yeah.
You are right.
I knew this was fake.
कौन सा स्मार्टफोन तुम्हारे थॉट्स कैसे पढ़ सकता है वो? स्मार्टफोन तुम्हारे थॉट्स कैसे पढ़ेगा?
तू ऐसे बात कर इससे गंदी चीजें
Bro.
खुद दिखाने लग जाएंगी. Hey baby, I love you.
Bro. It's crazy, guy. Bro, nigga said to talk dirty and this nigga said, baby, I love you.
तू ऐसे बात कर इससे गंदी चीजें खुद दिखाने लग.
Bro, he said to talk dirty shit and this nigga said, baby, I love you.
Hey baby, I love you.
Bro, this nigga is not real, guy.
World's first self-watering plant
Yeah, this true.
gets fired.
And this like some freaking shit in Korea or Japan, bro. Cause them weird niggas be like these.
for not doing its
Oh,
job.
freaking, I don't know. Or this some freaking, from where in US can this be? This freaking some Salt Lake City shit, gang.
Gets fired for not doing its job. ठीक है, next. Air India asks passengers to stop.
Nah,
clothes.
what? This is fake, gang. Ain't no way niggas is doing these. Flushing clothes, nigga. Who finna flush them
वालों ने
clothes?
पैसेंजर को बोला है कि प्लेन के टॉयलेट में कपड़े फ्लश ना करो. CCTV shows shoplifters using pythons, सांप, कोडिंग नहीं, सांप to distract cashier before stealing from petrol station. Okay. कौन सा? Self-watering plant. You are right.
What? Ain't no way that's fake, nigga. That's cap. I don't believe that. That shit ain't fake.
टीम से पूछ ले.
That ain't fake. That ain't fake.
World's largest snowman melts. Town holds funeral.
Bro.
ठीक है. Walmart is a store.
I know.
Announces plans to open first store on the moon
Nah, this feels true. I don't know why.
by 2027. Police say man with
Wait, let me see that. Announces site plans, and then that's true.
and no
Cause
legs
even
is
I'ma be honest, even I'ma plan, even I'ma announce, I'm finna go crazy in 2025.
armed and on the run.
But I don't know. What police
No
say?
arms and no legs is armed and on the run.
Number 3.
Snowman वाला.
Bro, number 3 is fake. Guy.
आंसर दे दिया मैं बोला ना डिस्कशन करे बिना
You are wrong.
Number 3 is fake, bro. I don't know why they taking for that.
थर्ड
कौन सा था third? Police with no arms and you are wrong.
Oh, never mind. Could be true. Then wheelchair niggas.
Walmart announces plans to open first.
Ah, gang. Walmart is crazy.
अबे मैंने तो सेकंड बोला इसको
Man claims he can speak fluent dolphin. वो dolphins की language बोल सकता है. जो लोग करते हैं.
Why you act like that, guy?
Starts new career as
Bro,
underwater.
she just said the N-word in dolphin language. Let's be honest. She said the N-word.
Starts
सेम ऐसे ही
dolphins की language बोल सकता है. जो
Bro, she said the N-word for them dolphins.
सेम ऐसे ही करता है सेम
starts new career as underwater linguist. Okay, next. Local man shocked to discover he's actually a cat. तीसरा, fish falls from sky, hits woman on head.
सेकंड वाला
He's actually a cat? You're wrong.
Bro, what? Man.
बिल्ली कैसे
Hits woman on head? You're wrong.
Bro, what was the phone?
Linguist क्या होता है?
कौवा कैसा लेके
हमें भी सेकंड थर्ड लग रहा था
It's dolphin.
मछली कैसे गिर गई ऊपर से
Bro, she's confused for true or false. I mean, she confused for what's fake and what's true. She's saying, bro, it's obvious at this point, bro. The true ones are fake and the fake ones are true.
And breaks into jail to hang with friends.
ठीक है
Bro, this some shit niggas be really doing, guy.
Missing woman searches for herself.
Bro.
maybe
Yeah, woman.
possible
अरे
this is true
क्या वो है कौन तो
ये तो सच है
ठीक है. Last वाला. Woman farts during surgery, causing laser to catch fire.
Ah, no, that's crazy.
जिसको हाथ या you're right.
Bro, I'm sleepy as fuck, bro. Just go end this video.
ये तो वही था इसको बोल रहा हूँ
Teen breaks world record for the largest mouth gap.
माउथ गेट
You.
मुंह खोलता है उसका mouth का gap. The
Size
size of
of-
a baseball.
No, that's crazy.
क्या बोला ये क्या बोला ये
बैट से बोला बेसबॉल इतना बड़ा होता है
भाई मैंने बैट
बास्केटबॉल समझ गया ये
भाई वो तेरे को बोल रहा है बास्केटबॉल में
नहीं ये समझ मेरे को लगा
Researchers create 3D printed food.
मैंने सुना है
Researchers create 3D printed food that tastes exactly like fresh ingredients.
This can be
Okay.
true.
Last. Is cockroach milk the future of nutrition? Scientists say it's more
I
nutritious
heard-
than cow's milk.
I heard this is true.
You are wrong.
Oh, nigga.
सेकंड वाला
3D
Nigga
printed
is
food,
wrong.
You are right.
Oh, okay.
अबे लोग कॉकरोच खाते हैं भाई जाके देख
ये तो बात
अरे क्या पता अंदर दूध ही हो
खाते हैं तो पी भी
हाँ अंदर
सकते
दूध भी हो सकता है भाई क्या पता
So अभी हमारे last 5 questions बाकी है. The next 5 questions are based on facts, not news. Same concept, but इसमें this is the final 5. So गलत आंसर पे -1 and सही आंसर पे +2.
I forgot. Y'all niggas can't even see me.
Let's see.
I done paused right there.
Number 1. Honey never
Let me come
spoils.
closer. Fact. Now this is true. But if that's pure honey.
Goldfish have a
Okay, spoils. This said spoils. Not I don't know, gang. No, don't know what it
3-second memory span.
Now this fact.
Yeah.
I mean this cap. I heard that the shit is cap. I used to believe that. But I don't know if that's true. Then that's right.
Or octopuses have 3 hearts.
Yeah. All these are fact.
हाथ उठा लिया, हाथ उठा लिया, आपने आपको बताना पड़ेगा, बता दो कौन सा octopuses have 3 hearts? You are wrong. -1. -1.
यार रुक जा रे, एक मिनट, अबे रुक कर लो ना यार, बात कर लो यार, आओ बात करो यार।
नहीं होता सेकंड है।
You are right. 4-4 हो गया है।
नहीं 4-5 क्या
5 से तुम्हारा -1 हुआ, ये 2 थे, इनका +2 हुआ।
+2.
The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer.
Yeah,
Eiffel
true.
Tower can
Facts.
grow taller in the summer.
टैग उड़ जाता है ऐसा।
A penny dropped from the Empire State Building can kill someone. And the last is, there's a jellyfish that is biologically immortal.
Bro, nah, gang. I mean, biologically immortal. I mean, everything has to come to an end. Let's be honest. I mean,
भाई करवा ली।
I feel third one is true.
Eiffel Tower can grow taller. That's
Bro,
actually
that's true.
Because of the heat. Yeah.
थर्ड वन
Jellyfish, you are wrong. Both get -1, 3 points.
Ain't no way. What was the second
lock
one?
in, yeah, lock in, guys. The shortest
Bro,
war in
don't nobody trying to lock in with you, gang. Nobody's that serious.
history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes. Cows have best friends. The longest recorded flight of a chicken lasted 30 minutes. Chicken उड़ रहा था 30 minutes. हो गए 3 फैक्ट, बताओ फेक कौन सा?
हाथ ऊपर है, वो उठा लिया।
और क्या बोला?
चिकन।
Yeah, you're right. 3-5.
Chickens don't be.
Last 2. A single strand of hair can hold up to 100 grams of weight.
I feel that's true. If you cut, I mean, this long strand ain't doing shit, but if it's like these, this small, bro, that can hold up some weight.
Single strand of hair can hold up to 100 grams of weight. There are no birds in Antarctica. No
That's
birds
true, I
in
think.
Antarctica. Some turtles
Nah, that's fake. I think there has to be
breathe through their
some.
butts.
Bro, wait. Nah, some. I mean, bro, nah. There has to be some species of birds in Antarctica. I heard of that.
Some turtles can breathe through their butts.
मैं समझा नहीं, हिंदी में समझाना लास्ट वाला।
कछुए कान से बात सुन सकता है।
नहीं सुन।
Are you guys ready? Okay. Some turtles can breathe through the. You're wrong.
बाल 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 वो
You're also wrong.
कैसे? ए रुको रुको रुको, नहीं रुक जाओ कैसे?
एक सेकंड, व्हाट डिड यू से?
100 ग्राम.
ब्रो आई स्वेयर मैंने 100 किलो सोचा यार।
सुना हमने।
Bro, what?
एंटार्क्टिका में बर्ड्स है, तो मैंने क्या बोला? देयर आर नो बर्ड्स इन एंटार्क्टिका, तो वो फेक हुआ ना? 4-2. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, या तो तुम +2 लेके जाओ. द लॉन्गेस्ट हिकअपिंग स्ट्रीक, हिचकी, Lasted
68 years is crazy.
giraffes need 30 minutes of sleep in a day.
Yeah, this is fact. Not need. They
Rats
can.
can swim for up to 48 hours without needing to rest.
Nah, them street rats are crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Them street rats, you feel me?
Rats can swim up. Rats, चूहे. Rats,
Bro,
चूहे. हाँ बताओ.
he raised his hand quick.
दे दे जिसने की थर्ड वन
Yeah, you are right.
Oh, word.
But now it's 4-4. A chicken once lived for 18 months without
Facts. True.
head. The toenail of your little toe is called the spine.
My left ear is
A
going
cow
crazy.
can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds.
कर ले भाई कर ले, अरे इसका ही है।
बोल रहा हूँ ये जीत
Oh,
रहे हैं।
cloud.
ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ जीत रहे हैं।
I forgot the second one.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं लगता।
अगर जीता, अगर हम जीते।
देखो 4-4 है.
हम सबके दिमाग में वो है।
4-4 है. अगर आपने गलत बोला आपका माइनस होगा. बाई डिफॉल्ट जीतेगे, सही बोले या गलत.
वे मतलब आंसर
आंसर दूं फर्स्ट वाला।
That's actually real. A chicken did live.
कैसे?
is when they cut it.
मैंने देखो क्या बोला
जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी।
भी आया था मैंने उसको बोला ये मैंने पढ़ा है मैं बोल रहा हूँ
आंसर क्या था?
ब्रो ऑर्गन्स और चीजें काम कर रही थी
सेकंड वाला क्या था?
टू नेक्स वाला
मैं बोल रहा हूँ और कर ले
I forgot the second one. I didn't even hear that.
पूरे गेम इसने अपने
अरे मैंने
टीम
खुद
के
ही
हाथ
बोला।
में ही हराया है।
अरे सोचो उनके दिमाग में भी वही आया मैं लिख के देता हूँ फर्स्ट वाला बट
आया था,
मैंने
इसके दिमाग में आया था।
मैंने
भाई
मैंने बोला
मेरे को नहीं लगा
यार ये भी फर्स्ट बोला ये भी फर्स्ट बोला
बोला फर्स्ट वाला मैंने पढ़ा है सेकंड थर्ड सुन लो
So the winning team is ये वाली। Yay! Congratulations! Thank you. Yeah.
तुम्हारा यही था वो खतरनाक
आप
खिलाड़ी।
जीते
Bro,
हो।
look at how. Look at the size difference in this hand, bro. That's crazy. He like Andre the Giant for her.
तुम्हारा यही था वो खतरनाक।
This side.
आप जीते हो मेरे तरफ से थैंक्स। Actually आप
What?
जीते हो free milk shake सबको।
Oh hell nah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like,
Alright,
share,
bruh.
and subscribe.
I'ma just go to sleep now. Bro, what? Bro, why would you? Hold on. Look at the shot, gang. Bro, tell me you're in for real right now. Bro, get her off. Oh yeah, she's definitely a Baron player. Alright, bro. I'ma just dip. I'm sleepy as hell. I ain't even gonna lie. And I got shit like freaking 3 highlights to make tomorrow. I'ma react to more of these niggas more, gang. Alright, bye bye. Good night.